Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today it is that time again where my closet is just an absolute mess. There are clothes on the ground and it's just a mess. And so today I spent a few hours cleaning and reorganizing my closet for your entertainment. Alright, so when you first walk in, we have this atrocious mess. That's all I'm gonna say. It's an atrocious mess. My little counter space here is absolutely disastrous. My drawers are all bleh. Also, on my top shelf, my bins are really messy, and I really only go for two things up here: my music stand and then my yoga mat for working out. But besides that, I really don't go for anything up here except shorts, which my short pile has all gone down here. It's just terrible. As you guys can see, it's just yeah, I just need to take care of it and get it done with. So enjoy. Alrighty, so my first step is going to be taking everything on the floor in there and throwing it out here and taking care of that. I just like to be able to walk in my closet before I can organize it, so this is just the best way. Also, then I can see everything that I need to take care of, and it's just very helpful in my opinion, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Lady luck, ever since she started hating, I've been waking up too early. I miss crazy phases in the middle of the night.
Alrighty, so now since everything's out and I have more room to organize and stuff, I'm going to take everything down from there and then organize it down here somewhere and really just clean it up because it looks atrocious right now, like I said. Show you guys the different piles I have made. Alrighty, first things first, I just have extra bins here because I got rid of a bunch of stuff. Here I have a few scarves that I want to, and then I have leggings, fashion pants, or just pants really, but pajama shirts, sweatshirts, pajama pants, t-shirts, and then shorts and skirts. And then over here are some things that need to get hung up, and then I have a pile of hangers, swimsuits. Over here I just have my Letterman jacket, and then I have stuff I want to donate, and then I just have a dress that I need to return to my school for orchestra.
Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to be a king. Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to have a thing. For I'll be satisfied now as you are my guide. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding. For the rest of
Alrighty y'all, so I finished everything in here and I'm so happy with it because it's so much cleaner and I can see floor, guys. I can walk in here. I can actually stand in here, which is amazing. And everything's nice and clean and put away and it's just amazing. So a little bit of a tour. Over here I have my 2 main belts hanging up, and then over here I have all my cubbies with my sweatshirts because no matter what, even though it's summer and 90 degrees out, I still wear sweatshirts on a daily basis. And then over here I just have both shoe boxes and I just keep my contact stuff right there. And I just have a random cubby. It's actually really organized. I'm not going to go into it. Then over here I have all my tank tops color coded, and I have my tank top dresses, my t-shirt dresses, my t-shirts, and then I have my long sleeve dresses over here. Then back here I have my more stylish jackets, so like my jean jackets, my army jackets, all that stuff. I just have my sweaters color coordinated, and then over here I have my cardigans color coordinated. Then over here I have just my basic long sleeves color coordinated. Over here, just like before, I have my little jewelry organizer thing here, and then back there I have my perfumes, lotions, deodorant, good stuff like that. Moving up here I have my more summery main stuff I grab pretty much on a daily basis. Those like shorts and skirts I have here. Then over here I have my leggings and sweats because I still grab for those in the summer. Then I just have my bag of bags, some random stuff that I just need to store in here, and then my yoga mat. And in this basket, because I don't have many scarves, I just stuffed my 5 scarves with my bathrobe. Then here I have my pants, and then here I just have a bunch of random stuff that I need to store in here, and it just looks better in a bin. Down here I have all of my shoes that I don't wear that often but still need to grab. In here I just have my t-shirts. In this drawer I just have my pajama shirts, and in this drawer it's harder to get back. It's just all of my pajama pants and shorts. Here, this drawer actually broke, and so I just store my hangers in there, and so I use it more as a shelf that I can bend down and grab hangers. In here I just have my swimsuits. Beneath here I have more drawers. I just don't want to go behind my shirts and grab them, and so I put them there because I don't really grab them that often. My first drawer I just have socks. My second drawer is my like junk drawer, but it's organized, and then way back there I have my fuzzy slipper socks. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all of my social medias. They are on the screen right now, and they're always down in the description box as well. Also, comment requests and questions. I read every single comment and would love to talk to you guys. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!